the $500 per month investing strategy that makes millionaires. Most people have $0 invested right now. Zero. Not because they can't afford it, because nobody showed them how. And here's what that cost them. Right now, today, for every month they wait, thousands of dollars gone. Here's the math nobody taught you in school. If you invest just $500 a month, starting today, and you leave it alone for 30 years, you end up with $1,130,000. You put in $180,000 of your own money. Compound interest did the rest. That's not a typo. That's not a trick. That's math. And in this video, Uncle Keith is going to show you exactly how to set this up. Step by step, even if you have never invested a single dollar in your life. No Wall Street jargon, no confusing charts. Just straight talk. Let's go. But first, let's talk about where most people's money is sitting right now. Your savings account. Sounds safe, right? Responsible even. Here's the trap. Your savings account is paying you somewhere between 0.5% and 4% interest per year. And after inflation, you're barely breaking even. Inflation in America has averaged about 3.2% per year over the last 30 years. So if your bank gives you 1% and inflation takes 3%, you're actually losing money every single year while you think you're being smart. That $10,000 sitting in your savings account, in 10 years, it has the buying power of $7,200. The money is still there, it's just worth less. And most people have no idea this is happening. They think the savings account is the responsible choice. They think investing is for rich people. Wrong. Investing, specifically index fund investing, is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. And $500 a month is all it takes to get started. Let's put these two side by side. Same $500 a month, same 30 years. Different destination. Savings account at 4%. After 30 years, you end up with about $346,000. You invested $180,000. The account added $166,000. Not bad. But watch what happens when you move that same money. S&P 500, 10% average annual return. After 30 years, $1,130,000. Same $180,000 invested. The market added $950,000. Same money, same 30 years. The only thing that changed was where you put it. That difference? $784,000. Almost $800,000 just from choosing the right account. That's why where you invest matters just as much as how much you invest. So let's talk about what the S&P 500 actually is. The S&P 500 is not a stock. It's not a company. It's a list. The 500 largest companies in America: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Johnson & Johnson. When you invest in the S&P 500, you own a tiny piece of all of them at once. Now, do individual companies fail? Yes, all the time. But here's what's happened to the group, the S&P 500 as a whole. Since 1957, it has returned an average of 10% per year. Some years it went up 30%. Some years it dropped 20%. But over time, 10% average. Every decade. For 67 years, you're not betting on one company. You're betting on the American economy. And that, as a long-term investment, has never failed. Not once. In 67 years. All right, let's set this up. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is where your investments actually live. Think of it like a bank account, but for stocks and funds. And here's the part that surprises most people. It's completely free to open. 3 beginner-friendly options. Fidelity, no account minimums, no trading fees. One of the best platforms for beginners. Charles Schwab. Same story. Free to open, easy to use. Vanguard, the original index fund company, created by the guy who literally invented this strategy. Which one should you pick? Honestly, any of the 3. They're all excellent for beginners. Uncle Keith's pick? Fidelity. The app is easy. The support is great. and there's no minimum to get started. Literally $0 to open the account. You can sign up today in about 10 minutes with your name, social security number, and a bank account to link. That's it. Step 1. Done. Real quick, if you're finding this helpful, hit the like button right now. It helps more people in the family find this video. Okay, step 2. Step 2. Pick your index fund. Now this is where people overthink it. They spend weeks researching, they freeze up, and they never start. Don't do that. For beginners investing for the long term, you only need to know 2 funds. VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, tracks the 500 largest U.S. companies. 0.03% annual fee. That's $3 per year on every $10,000 you invest. Almost nothing. FSKAX, Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, tracks the entire U.S. stock market, over 3,000 companies, also near 0 fees. Both are excellent. Both will get you to the same destination. Here's the simple rule. If your brokerage is Fidelity, go with FSKAX. If it's Schwab or Vanguard, go with VOO. That's it. You do not need 10 different funds. You do not need cryptocurrency. You do not need individual stocks. One fund, invested consistently, over time. That's the entire strategy. Step 2, done. Step 3, set your $500 monthly contribution. Now I want to address something right now. Maybe $500 a month feels impossible to you. That's okay. This strategy works at any level. $100 a month for 30 years at 10%, $226,000. $250 a month, $565,000. $500 a month, $1,130,000. The amount matters, but starting matters more. Here's what most people do, but they say, I'll start when I have more money. And they never start, because there's always something else. The right time to start is right now, with whatever you have. Even $50 a month builds a habit, and the habit is what gets you to $1,130,000. Once you're in your brokerage account, find the Buy or Invest section. Select your fund, VOO or FSKAX. Enter $500. Hit Confirm. That's your first investment. You just did what most people only talk about doing. Step 4. This is the most important step of all. Automate it. Here's why. Willpower is unreliable. Life gets busy. Emergencies happen. And if you have to manually invest every month, you won't. Not every month. Not for 30 years. But if your account automatically pulls $500 on the first of every month, before you ever see it, you invest every single month. No matter what. This is how wealthy people think. They pay themselves first. Every major brokerage, the Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, has an automatic investment feature. It takes about 3 minutes to set up. Go into your account settings. Find automatic investments or recurring investments. Set the amount, set the date, done. And here's the beautiful part. You never have to think about it again. Your investment grows every month, whether the market is up or down, whether you remembered or forgot, whether you're on vacation or stressed about work. Set it and forget it. Okay, let's watch what happens when you actually do this. Year 1, you've invested $6,000. The market has done its thing. Your balance, about $6,800. But here's where it gets interesting. After 10 years, you've put in $60,000 of your own money. Your balance, but with compound interest, is $102,000. You didn't earn $102,000. You earned $102,000 on $60,000. Compound interest just handed you $42,000 for free. And that's just the beginning. Keep going. Don't touch it. Don't sell it. After 20 years, you've invested $120,000 of your own money. Your balance, $382,000. The market just handed you $262,000 on top of what you put in. You didn't do anything extra. You just didn't quit. That's the power of compound interest. It's not magic. It's math. And it rewards patience more than almost anything else. And now for the moment we've been building to. 30 years. You've put in $180,000 of your own money. $500 a month, every single month. automatically, without stress? Your balance? $1,130,000. You are a millionaire. Not because you got lucky, not because you had a rich family, not because you made six figures, because you started. You were consistent, and you let compound interest do what it does. Here's the breakdown one more time. You invested $180,000. The market returned $950,000. Total $1,130,000. The market did 5 times the work you did. That's investing for beginners. That's the S&P 500. That's index fund investing. And it starts with $500 a month and 10 minutes on your phone today. Before you go, I need to tell you the single biggest mistake beginners make. And it costs them hundreds of thousands of dollars. They sell when the market drops. Every few years, and sometimes every few months, the market goes down. 10%, 20%, sometimes more. And people panic. They pull their money out. They say, I'll get back in when it's safe. But here's the trap. The drop is temporary. The recovery is guaranteed. The people who sell lock in the loss forever. Between 1957 and today, the S&P 500 has dropped significantly over 20 times. It has recovered from every single one. Market drops are not a crisis. They are a sale. Keep buying, keep automating. Don't look at the balance every day. You're not a day trader, you're a wealth builder. The difference between those two people? Decades of discipline. The market will scare you. Expect that. Plan for it. And when everyone else is selling, you keep your automatic investment running. That's the real strategy. You now know exactly what most people spend their entire lives not knowing. You know why your savings account is holding you back. You know what the S&P 500 is. You know the 4 steps to get started. Step 1, open your brokerage account, free, 10 minutes. Step 2, pick your fund, VOO or FSKAX, done. Step 3, set your $500 monthly investment. Step 4, automate it, set it, and forget it. That's it. That's the entire millionaire strategy. Not complicated, not risky, not for wealthy people only. For you. Drop a like in the comments if you're starting your investing journey today. Uncle Keith wants to celebrate with you. And if you got something real out of this video, please like and subscribe and join the family for more real talk. Thanks. Go make it a great day.